What's up, everybody? So since it's springtime, we're going to take a quick break from the MG, and I'm going to try my hand at making some half doors for the Samurai. Never done it before, so we're just going to kind of experiment and figure it out as we go. So let's give it a shot. I think I kind of figured it out. I've got to keep these 3 holes if I want to make the latch mechanism work. That's going to be the easiest. Just keep those 3. So the thing I'm going to do, come down at this steep angle here, cut off at this seam. It feels a little low, but I'm going to use some tubing or something to build up an edge over here. So it'll probably final be about in that height area. Handle will obviously be moved inside, and that hole's gonna be patched. So I think I'm gonna just go for it and chop it off here and kind of come up around there and see what I can get. But I want to be able to keep the mirror here because the mirrors, you can see that, yeah, the mirrors up here suck. So I want to be able to put that back on the door, whether I'm running half doors or the normal doors. Going to be the winning look. Yeah, happy with that. I think I'm going to trim the front down just half an inch or so, just barely, so I can still get the mirror on there. But yeah, I'm liking it so far. Couldn't be happier without it turning out. Yeah, I don't think I can complain about that at all. Alright, so now we'll see what we can do about getting it dressed up and getting the door latches back in. But you know, for the first few hours of work, this ain't bad. So a buddy of mine said he had another friend of a friend. When he did his half doors, he used exhaust tubing to cap the top of the door to give it a nice round edge and keeps sharp corners away and stuff like that. So I was like, yeah, I kind of like that idea. So I went and picked up, well, didn't went and pick up, had some small pieces of tubing shipped to me. A little bit overkill as far as the thickness, but that's okay. And so I think since I'm kind of at a standstill waiting on these, on the latches, I'm gonna try to cap this first part up here. It's gonna be a little different because the thickness here is different than the thickness here, which means the radius that I'm gonna have to use to cover this area is gonna be different than this. So the rise will be a little higher, or a little lower here and higher here, in the middle there. So hopefully it will look decent when it's all said and done, but I don't know, I'm just kind of experimenting, and worst thing that can happen is I'll tack it on before I weld the whole thing up and I don't like it, and I'll do something else. So I'm a little hesitant to cap any more of this door with this pipe until I get the latch and handle figured out. I'll do it a little close up. So, welder wasn't completely set up right, but it looks pretty dang good. I mean, I'll be able to cap this with something, I'm sure. So I'll be able to sand down whatever I need to, but it doesn't look bad at all. So I'm totally happy with how this is going to turn out. I was out of town for the last couple of weeks, so I wasn't able to work on this at all. But I was able to get some stuff done yesterday, so we got this next piece fitted here, as well as worked out the proof of concept for this hinge. So I'm gonna see if I can get that finalized, maybe find a bushing to go in there so that gets held straight. Clean up this hole that I cut in the door, as well as clean up anything else out along the door that I need to. And then we'll start working on getting this last piece fitted on there and see if we can get these things finished up. So let's get to work. Okay, so this is where we're at now. Got that rough cut. It still needs some work, but I took a break from that to get this mechanism finalized. So got the plastic bushing, or whatever these little holders are called, from another position, and this new latch that's not going to be used. Got all hooked up and got a bushing cup from another piece that I had laying around. So it'll work. It's not ideal. It's still got a little bit of more movement than I want, but it'll work for now. So let's go get it out on the Samurai and get it tested and make sure it fits before we put the cap on. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I like it. Okay, so we got this for the most part welded up. On this side, it's most of the way overheated it a little bit right here. I don't know how well you'll be able to tell in the video. It looks like you can see a little bit of the, but whatever, it's a Samurai. It doesn't really matter. It's gonna get beat up eventually anyway. So I'm gonna sand all the welds down so they look a little better. But as of now, this is what it looks like. Sorry for moving so much. I'm gonna finish doing this backside up, and then we'll get started on the other one. I'm not gonna talk through the other one as much. I'm just gonna kind of put my head down and get it done so we can get these on the Samurai and start using them. I know they're far from perfect and far from complete, but we're gonna be moving here soon, so I just need to get them done enough we can get them on the Samurai and move on with our lives. So let's get it done. here's the final product. This side still needs to be primed, but other than that, they're done. And again, they're not perfect, but they're good enough for what I need them for. And I'm excited to go driving around with some half doors finally. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more projects.